Today we are going on a drive from Carigara Leyte all the way to Baler, Aurora Province. First of all, this is going to be the longest road trip we've ever done in the Philippines. I've been here for 7 years. This is going to be the biggest one ever. The last big one we did was Manila all the way to Pagudpud for our Learn to Speak Bisaya course. Which, by the way, if you want to speak Bisaya, link in the description below. Andito sa Pilipinas ang kapatid ko na si Amber Lee, kasama ng mga anak niya na sina Romeo, Naila May, tsaka asawa niya ni si Tito VJ. We're gonna go see them, Nitro. Are you excited to see Mio and Naila May? Yeah, we're gonna go see them. Alright guys, so we're gonna get ready, we're gonna pack up, and we're gonna head off. Let's go.
Anong nasa mukha mo?
Sunscreen. Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome to Dwantro Vlogs tayong Pabibo at Pabibe. Hey buddy, say Pabibe.
Pabibe.
Yeah. Today we are going on a big drive. We are going to Samar and we're going to play on the zip line. A big city. Yes. Yes, we will go to a big city. So, andito kami sa Carigara ngayon. We're gonna drive to, I think it's Calbayog in Samar. So it's about a 6-hour drive. We're gonna be driving for 6 straight hours till we get to a resort. So this will be Nitro's first time in Samar. We are going to a resort owned by a guy named Nitro. So he's invited us to go stay at the resort. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. Meron silang zip line done. They have a big swimming pool and things like that. So we're gonna go check it out. Hey Nitro, are you ready? You wanna go to the resort? Yeah, let's go. Okay, so ganito ang biyahe namin. We're going to stop in Alang-Alang Jollibee. We're gonna have breakfast. And then after that, we're gonna cross the San Juanico Bridge into Samar. We're gonna drive all the way up to the resort in Calbayog, Samar. Ready ka na, Santa? So ayan, tara na. Alright, tara na. Oh, okay. Alright, Dwantro Fam, let's go. Saan the aircon on? Ooh.
Can you see?
Ooh. Yes, I can. Alright, so this is going to be a 6-hour drive. Di ba ito yung pinakamatagal na behind ni Nitro? 6 hours in a car. I mean, you know, he was on a plane for 8 coming here, but I think this is going to be Nitro's longest road trip. His longest road trip will be here in the Philippines. Yeah. Actually, no, we went on a road trip with Brooke and Nathaniel, no?
Yeah, but it wasn't 6 hours.
I don't think it was.
What?
Yeah,
Was it?
we went pretty far. Yeah. Okay, unang road trip dito sa Pilipinas. Yeah.
Bye-bye, Ate
Bye-bye! Nitro, hi ba Nitro siya?
Say bye-bye, Ate Faye. Say bye-bye, Ate Faye. Resort.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye siya.
Bye-bye.
Ingat ka mo, Glenn.
Ingat ni what?
What did you say, Nitro?
We got into a big city.
Bye. Friends. Bye-bye. Ito ang tumila. Ante!
Alright, Nitro, we're at Jollibee now, buddy.
Nitro and Jollibee.
We're gonna go through the drive-thru, okay? You ready for some Jollibee?
Yes, Daddy.
Okay, here we go. Jollibee.
What do you want, Nitro?
Chippies.
No chippies.
And what else? Burger?
I don't like burger. I want burger and chippies and ice cream.
Burger and chips and ice cream?
Oh gosh.
Oh, that's a lot, isn't it? You must be hungry, huh? Alright, it's breakfast spot.
Yeah.
Hi po!
Adi Nitro. Nitro, say hi to ate.
Hi!
You tell ate what you want. Say, maupay nga aga.
You tell ate what you want, Nitro?
Tell her what you want.
What do you want? Which one? You want chippies?
Naawo diya.
No. Yeah.
Bacon, egg, cheese sandwich.
Bacon, egg, cheese sandwich.
With hot chocolate.
With hot chocolate.
10 minutes before ang choco, okay lang?
Oh, ayun na na.
Ayun na. With ano na lang?
Anong may da?
Juice?
Kuhaan naman, madali ko na drinks, pineapple juice, iced tea, coffee.
Pineapple juice na lang.
Pineapple juice na lang.
Wala po ka-order, sir?
Isa
Para ka
lang.
Nitro, ano?
Lo, waray pa junk. Junk food.
May na kiddie meal ba? Wala pa.
Wala po, sir.
Nitro, is Jollibee thumbs up or thumbs down? Yay! How about Macca's? Thumbs up, thumbs down. Yay! How about Daddy? How about Grandpa? How about Grandma? Yay! How about Hallie? How about Auntie Brooke? Uncle Nathaniel? Yay! How about Tito VJ? How about Auntie B?
Ayan, ito.
Yay!
Sige pa. Okay,
Salamat.
You want burger? Okay.
Nandito na po kami sa Tacloban.
Yeah, Tacloban. So, we've been driving for an hour. We're in Tacloban na. It's another 5 hours ata papuntang Calbayog, Samar. So, we're gonna cross the San Juanico Bridge soon.
I want it.
After we're gonna cross the big bridge in a minute.
Mommy's cell phone.
Mommy's cell phone is dead.
Give me mommy's cell phone. Charge it, mommy.
Yeah, I'm gonna charge it, but Daddy's using the charger.
We're gonna go over the big bridge.
So, we left
Mommy, I want the
Tacloban.
big boy son.
Okay.
The big
Thank you and come again. Tapos, leaving Tacloban. Ayan na. Alis na tayo ng Tacloban. Punta na tayo sa Samar. Bye-bye, Tacloban. You say, bye-bye, Tacloban.
Bye-bye, the boat one.
Yay!
Alright, here we are.
Nitro, look at the bridge. Oh,
bridge.
we're stopping.
You can see the bridge, Nitro?
Oh, Nitro, the big bridge. It's a San Juanico bridge.
There's the bridge, buddy.
I want the big boy.
You want a big boy song?
Yeah, we'll
Wait.
play the big boy song soon, okay?
Wow, Nitro, look.
It's the ocean.
Boulevard.
The boulevard,
He knows Carigara Boulevard. He's gonna text him there.
Dagat.
Yeah, look at that.
Boulevard.
Boulevard.
Down to the big bridge, Nitro.
Oh, Nitro, wow.
Big bridge.
Mommy,
I'll give you the big boy song. Oh, look at the bridge, Nitro.
Oh, stop and take photos. Not allowed to do that. You have to walk up.
Yeah. Kailangan maglakad dito para makapag-picture, hindi bababa sa car. Kasi baka makapas ng accident.
I walked across this bridge years ago.
See?
Back in 2006.
Yung bridge na to, L at saka S yan. Kasi Leyte, tapos yung S para sa Samar.
Yes, this is the S part.
You sing first. Not that song. I don't like that song. Wala. Samar.
Sign like this said, reduce speed. Maraming alamat po. Hi guys, we're in Samar. So, napansin ko may difference sa mga kalsada dito. They're not as well maintained as the roads in Leyte. There's holes everywhere. Daming buho sa mga highway dito. So I'm always like trying to, dodge them, change lanes to get around them. Kasi, tingnan mo. Delikado dami. Sobrang dami, like every 30 meters. Because of, dami, no? Ba't ganun? Baka doon sa Calbayog or sa malapit sa mga city dito, mas okay ang highway. Pero dito, hindi talaga maintain.
Yung
Mahirap. Tsaka
connection.
walang signal din.
Walang
Signal dito. Kasi, like in Leyte, on the bridge we have signal. As soon as we get to Samar, wala nang signal. Hello. Okay, ito na. The road is smooth again. signal dito, like matagal na. The road is very lubak. What's lubak Tagalog?
That's Tagalog.
Oh, it is. It's super lubak. And yeah, all the houses here are very provincial, Pinoy style houses. Mahirap ang buhay dito sa Samar. No? Unless you live in a big city siguro, pero dito sa province, wow, parang abandoned, no? Amo nga ni, kusog ang mga waray, maisog. Amo ito, hira mga maisog. Oh, you need to be maisog to survive. Ano siya?
Strong and resilient.
Oh. Well, that was close. Damn, look at these trucks. Oh, maybe I'm rolling back a little bit. Wow, that's a lot of trucks. Grabe. The last time I was here in Samar was about 2014. And that was after Yolanda. And mas okay yung mga daanan doon. Yung mga daanan doon. Mas okay yung mga daanan noon, 2014 kesa ngayon. It looks like they're fixing up some of it, pero grabe ang daming buho.
Butas.
Butas. My language is sagol ngayon kasi I go from Manila, Tagalog to here, Waray, to the other side of Leyte, Cebu, it's Bisaya, so it's all sagol na. Alright guys, we've been driving for 4 hours now and parang may almoranas na ako dahil sa lubak-lubak na kalsada. Wow. Alright guys, so Shama's in the back with Nitro now. We are passing through Calbayog now. Calbayog is a city on the coast of Samar, and yeah, they've got some cool little islands and stuff you can travel to off the coast of Calbayog. I stayed in Calbayog nung missionary pa ako noong 2012. Tagal na nun. This is the first time I've sort of driven past it again since then. Finally, the road is smooth. Hallelujah. Mahamis na ang kalsada. Wala nang butas-butas. Makinis. Makinis, ano Nitro? Makinis. Alright guys, we've stopped on the side of the road just after Calbayog because we're going to fly the drone here. Hey.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! We're going to fly the drone. You want to get out the drone and fly it? Yeah? You want to make it fly?
Yes.
Yeah, it sounds like a bee, hey. Yeah. We're going to fly it and we're going to just show you what Samar looks like on the countryside here. Somewhere between Calbayog and Calbayog. We're not at Gandara yet. Almost at Gandara.
Yes.
Yes.
It's not a puti.
It's not a putik.
Nitro.
Nitro, you ready? We got the drone. What? Why? Why? Is someone sleeping? They're sleeping. Oh yeah, they're sleeping. Oh, what's that, Nitro?
It's an airplane.
It's an airplane? Alright guys, we are in San Jorge. This is where Biringan City is close to, and this is also where I serve my mission. Dito sa San Jorge, Gandara, this is our area. Oh, we're getting close to Gandara now, Nitro. This is where all the Encanto are, from Biringan City. Mga kapre, mga tikbalang. Alright guys, we are in Gandara. It's a very nice little town here. You know, it's pretty. It's on the river. They got some nice mountains in the background. It's not pretty dull coming in Nitro. We should take a drone shot, eh? So here we are in Gandara, a nice little town on a river, surrounded by all these luscious green hills. It looks very nice. Very nice place. There are a lot of people living in poverty here though, but the place is beautiful. At saka may mga engkanto din dito.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to Phil Talk today.
Nitro, we're here. We made it. We're at the resort. This is the resort. We're gonna go inside and have a look, okay? Calbayog Resort. This is called the Malajog Leisure Park Resort. Beach Hotel Events Venue. Wow. Social. Let's have a look. Nitro, we're here.
Yes.
We're here at the resort. Let's go have a look around, eh? Whoa. Is that a dolphin? Yeah, it's a big dolphin.
It's a dolphin, Mom.
It's a dolphin, yeah. Woohoo!
It's a fun dolphin.
A funny dolphin. So what's that, huh? What's
It's
that?
round.
It's the honk. Whoa. What's that animal there? What's that, huh? What's that?
Lion.
It's a lion, hey. Whoa. And it's the honk. Whoa. That's so cool, man. Look, there it is. Whoa.
So strong.
He's so strong, right? He's so big and strong.
Wait, who's that?
That's Aquaman. Yeah, Aquaman. Oh, that's pretty cool, isn't it? Hey? Huh? Ay, pwede. Pwede, Doro.
Daddy,
Are you
I
ready?
want to
Huh?
walk on home.
Oh, you want to look at walk on Hulk? Okay, here we go. I'll catch the Hulk. Wow. Nitro. Nitro, what's that?
A swimming pool.
No, that one there. That one, the statue. Over here.
It's
Over here,
a
that
swimming
one.
pool.
No, this one, this one. Who's that? What's that called?
Aquaman.
No, it's a Shokoi.
So good.
Yeah. Oh, this is our hotel room, Nitro. Wow, look at the
What
bed.
is it?
I don't know. Go have a look. What's that? What's that, buddy? Whoa.
What's that?
I don't know.
How about that?
It's a balloon. It's a balloon. It's a love heart, isn't it? Is it a love heart? Oh, my balcony pa tayo. Ayun, oh. My view. Oh. Very nice. So we're gonna stay here for a couple of nights here in the leisure park.
Thank you.
Good boy. We're gonna go have something to eat. We're gonna go on that massive zip line. Sarado na sila ngayon, no? Tomorrow. Bukas na. So bali bukas. And then, yes. And then, ano, may Dragon Boat Festival bukas din.
Awarding kasi
Awarding.
Tapos na. Awarding na lang.